Need to check your Samsung Galaxy phone IMEI number quickly. In this 2026 guide, you will discover the fastest and easiest two methods without installing any app. Follow along step by step to verify your device information safely and confidently in just a few moments. So let's get started. First of all, I am using the settings menu. So open the settings app on your phone. Once are in the settings, scroll down to the very bottom. Look for the about phone option. Once you found them, tap to open it. After that, here you can see the various options. Scroll down a little, look for the IMEI section. Here you can basically see two IMEI sections. For example, IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. Once you are decide to copy IMEI number, simply long press the IMEI number and automatically copy it on your clipboard. However, if you decide to another way to check IMEI number on your Galaxy phone, simply return to your home screen, open the phone dialer app. After that, go to the keypad section. Here you can simply type this code *#06# and automatically appear the IMEI number on your screen. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe and turn on notification for more simple Samsung tips, helpful tutorials and updated tech guides.